All right, we're looking at figure 975 here, and we're going to probably end up doing a section view of this. This particular piece here, we can do two different ways. We can draw this little section piece out where my mouse is at. We can draw that section and then revolve it around an axis. Or we can draw it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 7 separate circles. And that's the way that I'm going to do that today. So let's come over here to Inventor. I'm going to come up to the new. I'm going to do a new part. And our first circle over here that we're going to draw is a 4.5-inch diameter that we're going to extrude it up at 0.5. Let's see what's going on here. There we are. So I'm going to come over here, draw my circle. I'm just type 4.5. There's my 4.5-inch circle. I will right click done, right click finish sketch, and then I will extrude that circle at 0.5. So there's the bottom one. The second circle that goes on top of this one is a diameter of 3. So I'm going to right click new sketch, this face. I'm going to draw a circle from that center point, pull it out and type 3, enter. Right click done, right click finish sketch. And that is also from here to here is 0.5, so I'll extrude that circle at 0.5. And then I've got a big circle that comes out here, and it says the diameter of that big circle is 3.25. So I'm going to right click new sketch on this face. I'm going to draw a circle from the same center point as all the other ones, and I'll do the 3.25, enter. Slightly bigger than the other one. Right click done, right click finish sketch. We're going to extrude. Now this is where it can be tricky. I've got to select probably two different, see it's highlighting just the really thin part, so I got to select here and here. So I got to select two separate circles to get the entire thing to be extruded. And I believe it says, you can hardly see it over here, I think it says 2 inches right there. So I'm going to come in there and type 2, hit enter. And then finally, I've got another last one, this little 3-inch diameter. It's going to come up 0.19. So I'm going to right-click New Sketch on that face. Not right-click. I'm going to draw a circle from this piece at a diameter of 3, enter. And I'm going to right-click Finish Sketch. I got to extrude at 0.19. I didn't select what I wanted though, it was just this one. So now I've kind of got the ledge and I've got everything on there, but now I got to get rid of the inside parts of it. And it's a counterbore looking piece, which it's just a really elongated, something that we're not used to seeing as much. So I'm going to right click New Sketch on this face. I want to draw a circle again from that same center point that we've been doing. And again, it is a diameter of, it's 2.56. So 2.56, enter. Right click done. Right click finish sketch. I'm going to extrude it. This piece, I got to make sure I hit cut right here. Cut. And then I'm going to come down 2 inches again. So you can kind of see that it gave you a highlighted red thing in here. So it's down 2. I cut it, hit OK. So now I've got the hollowed out part here. So now I got one more circle to put in here. So I got to right click New Sketch on the very inside face of that counterbore. And I'm going to draw another circle from the exact same center point that we've been going. And this diameter is a 2-inch diameter. So 2, enter. Right click done, right click finish sketch. I'm going to extrude that circle. I got to cut it. And I'm going to type in like a big number, like a 5, just to make sure that it goes all the way through the part. And now you can kind of see that I've got the part that goes through the whole thing. So 975, the drawing itself is done now. So I've got let's do a save as here. I'll save it as 975. Now once it's saved, we got to put this into a section view. So I'm going to come up here to the new. I'm going to do a new drawing. Yeah, you know what I did? I just erased a bunch of stuff off my computer yesterday, and I thought that might happen. Hopefully, maybe you can remember at this point, you're going to open up a new drawing. When you go to the new drawing, you're going to put in a base view of this one. You're going to hit the section button up top, and you're going to cut a section out of this part. That is figure 975.